Namaste yogis. Today our topic is Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi is a word from Sanskrit which means a long breath which contracts your throat. And in English it's called victorious or ocean breath. The topic is Ujjayi. So first of all the meaning and now how to do Ujjayi. So for Ujjayi, you may take a nice posture. Siddhasana is actually good. You put one leg on the top of the other, become straight. So for Ujjayi, the main thing is because we are contracting the thyroid gland. So for that, this sit straight. So as much you will inhale only with your nostril, there will be a noise, a contraction, the sound here. I will show you a long breath. As much you can take in, hold. Whenever you want to exhale, make sure you exhale with the left. Again, two deep inhale. So the working is very simple. You inhale through your nasal, you contract the thyroid, the windpipe is here, larynx, pharynx, they are contracted, and now the portion will be wide to exhale with the left. Left is Ida. If you have the awareness about left Ida, right nasal is called Pingla. So Ida is for me. So what it does, when you contract the air, the passage here. The sound is like victorious. You are controlling over your prana. Release all the tension, all the pressure out from the body. Again, I will show you one more time. Even you can sit in Sikhasana, Siddhasana, or into Vajrasana. So if you sit into Vajrasana, you're on your knees, the back is straight, and it will make more work here, more compression. So the same work. But to exhale longer with your left nasal. Now I mentioned to you how to do Ujjayi, and basically everyone requires. And this video is very interesting. You will not get this kind of information. It's very authentic. So please stay tuned. And now the benefits. So the benefits are basically I will directly reach to thyroid. You can feel it directly hits your thyroid. And if you're aware about two kinds of thyroid, hyper and hypothyroidism. So in hyper, when you start to lose your weight, in hypo, when you gain excessive fat, excessive weight. So Ujjayi is basically for that. But Ujjayi, your posture matters. However, you are capable of staying straight. You can be stable. And with this Ujjayi breathing, we are basically working on the thoughts as well. So it purifies your thoughts. It works physically. It's very effective for your thyroid. Now, I would explain the lungs. What happens when you take a deep breath with contracting the throat area? It works for your lungs. You feel your lungs, that sensation. And when you exhale, long breath. You're exhaling longer, so your lungs are much more healthy. So make sure you practice Ujjayi in a proper work. Again, the same so many benefits of Ujjayi. You get a lot of energy. You will feel your Ida Pingla, moon and the sun both will be settled, both will be calmed down, both will be in a good way. Your energy level will be back. The persons who are practicing yoga, they should definitely practice it in a regular way. According to Swami Ramdev, you can get a lot of energy with Ujjayi breathing. So Ujjayi should be in your daily routine. It's also written in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, which is the Bible of yoga. So it clearly mentions that Ujjayi should be not only for body, Ujjayi for winning, for getting over command over your breath flow. And now I will come the precautions. If you're having high BP, you feel dizzy, there is some headache. In those cases, avoid longer. Just practice it 2 to 3. Or what Ujjayi does, it may aggravate that high blood pressure. So only for that, you may take few precautions. Otherwise, Ujjayi is giving you that positive energy. And please, if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and put your comments. If you would like me to explain next time the working of Ujjayi with your channels, please put the comments, write about your practice. If you feel any difficulty, I will definitely get back to you. And if you are a new person, new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. It will highly motivate. Thank you so much. Namaste.